spectacular, acrobatic, and above all, crucial. Here's a lesson on how to save your team's bacon with some last-ditch defending. Sit back and enjoy this season's top 10 goal line clearances.
Here's Gilavogi, and he goes on Gilavogi, plays it back, and somehow it stays out. Gilavogi, great power shown. It looked as though he'd run out of pitch, and it looks like of Sane and of Schroner to keep this out and deny Origi.
Dominic Cor's pass in towards Brandt, who's back, heel touch, he comes back out to Cor, Ulreich saves magnificently.
Now's the time to try and get themselves ahead. Rush with the shot, and somehow
there was a world-class reaction here on the line. Good defending here by Gravenberch and Nordfeld.
Caligiuri across. Ulreich hasn't got there, it's on the line, blocked on or across. Well, the referee hasn't got the signal to say the ball was in the net. But Schalke's best moment so far.
Missed there by Chauner and saved off the line. But what a chance that was.
Lookman will come for Timo Werner here, and there's no flag. It's Timo Werner around Ardlatter. Heavy shot cleared off the line by Hack brilliantly. What a clearance there by Alexander Hack for mine to the nick of time.
Is Bailey's blast going to be enough to go in? Here he goes, cleared off the line, there he is again, and oh, it's off the woodwork, and it's bouncing around in there, and Jahrstein is able to hold on to it. Absolutely extraordinary. Just watch this. Well cleared from Lustenberger on the line, and then Folland smashes it against the bar, and holding on for dear life, Rune Jahrstein. And Hertha Berlin have survived an unbelievable passage of play.
Here comes that corner, and the header off the line by Rausch brilliantly. Oh, right place, right time as Werder Bremen goes so near to the winner. Right on 90 minutes. Oh, drama today came guaranteed.
Here goes Hüller at the other end, and Hüller still. Habra, Horn with the save, and Hüller off the line, incredible from Maro. What a piece of defending that is.
Bit of space for Jeremy Tolian to operate in. And it's Sancho! And off the line by Hasebe. Sahin denied. So close, Dortmund, to making it 3-2. Sahin must have thought he got his second goal of the afternoon, and Hasebe popped up from nowhere.
Wow, some heroic stuff there. But which clearance was your favourite? Be sure to let us know in the comments.
Hello? Are you still there?
Hello!
Watch the best of the Bundesliga.
Watch more of my Bundesliga action.
Subscribe now.
Subscribe here.